Hello, Tita Inday, Tito Ricky. Happy 50th anniversary. Si Flor po ito. Happy 50th anniversary. Sobra po akong maligaya para sa inyo. Enjoy niyo po yung araw niyo ngayon. Sobrang maligaya po ako para sa inyo. Happy for both of you. And may God bless you always. Wishing you all the best. Ingat po lagi. And see you. Pag umuwi po kami dyan, papasyal kami ulit sa inyo. Hello everyone there. Ingat po kayo lahat and I love you all. Auntie Baby, I love you. Again, Tita Inday, Tito Ricky, happy anniversary. I love you. May God bless you all. Thank you po. Thank you, Gigi. Thank you.
Oh, ayan na.
Ako, Jane? Hello, Tita Inday! Happy 50th anniversary, Tito Ricky!
Maligayang
Hello,
bati, Chang.
50.
Tito Ricky.
Diba?
Happy 50th anniversary po.
May forever. Diba, Det? Abay kaya ako nung kasal nyo. Remember that? Oh, enjoy kayong lahat dyan. Bye-bye. And you will
Congratulations po.
kamukha mo si Tita Inday dyan.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Inday, Tito Ricky, happy 50th wedding anniversary. Congratulations. Praying for your continued good health.
Continue to love and take care of each other.
We love you. God bless.
Wedding anniversary, Tito Rix, Tita Inday. In Lamentations, the steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. And in Corinthians 13:13, faith, hope, and love abide. Greatest of this is love. Wow, super love pa rin kayo. Happy couple. We're so happy for you. God bless po!
Happy golden wedding anniversary po, Tito Ricky, Tita Inday. We're so blessed that you have reached this milestone. Truly, God is the center of your marriage. That's why you have a wonderful family, your kids, your mga apos. Truly, nakita nyo ang kanilang paglaki. Alam namin, masaya kayo. And thank God that you have a wonderful family that we wish and we pray in the book of Numbers chapter 6 verse 24. God bless you and keep you. God will shine His face upon you and give you peace. We love you all. I love you. God will give you more wonderful years to celebrate in your wedding. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tita.
Congratulations.
Happy golden anniversary and many more to come. We love you, Tita Inday, Tito Ricky. Congratulations. Hi, everybody.